What is up, you guys? Welcome to the video. Today we got something very special going on. We got my boy Rattler over here. He's gonna hook it up. He's gonna help us make an exhaust for the Lexus. We got Colin here. We got the whole squad. We even got Manji. He's gonna help. And yeah, so we got my car up on jack stands right now. And here's all the exhaust parts I have. So pretty much, we're gonna take all these parts I have and all the parts I have under the car, and we're just gonna figure out the best exhaust we can make out of it and just make it custom, like a Frankenstein build. So let's get to work. Hey, Manji.
Should I just leave it here?
Good doggo.
Okay.
Okay, so currently on the car I have OBX headers, a stock Y pipe, a Megan mid pipe, and then a custom straight pipe little axle back thing. But that's all gonna be changed. So we're gonna keep the OBX headers in. We're gonna replace the stock Y pipe with the Megan Y pipe. We're gonna replace this axle back with the Canon on it. And then we're gonna have to make a custom mid pipe with the Megan mid pipe. We have to like change the flange around because it's a little messed up. Like it's a different flange, so we just gotta change that. So that's pretty much what we gotta do. And Rattler's already getting to work on it. By the sounds of things.
This thing's gotta come out. Gotta get the O2 out on this bad boy.
Oh yeah, get it.
Oh yeah, this shouldn't, I think it's literally fucking hand tight.
Yep. It's alright.
That should be chill.
I only do
So as you can see here, I had like a ton of make a gasket on there because the flanges like were just fucked up. So I'm hoping that the Megan Y pipe fixes that leak problem a little bit. Also, the exhaust was dragging pretty low, so I dented the cat in here a little bit.
I wonder if that O2 goes bad, how do you even like replace that shit?
There's no hanger on this thing, right?
No.
Stop.
I'll probably make a gasket, that's why.
And there's no hanger on the mid pipe either.
No. But we're changing that? Or we're keeping that?
We're keeping that. Well, we have to cut the flange at the end.
Yeah, I know, but that's the, we'll probably cut it on the front.
You might not have to cut that flange.
Yeah, let's get it in here.
Yeah, because it's a Megan mid pipe, so it's meant for the Megan white pipe.
But no, but it.
No, I'm talking about down there.
Oh, at the end. Yeah.
Yeah, fucking weak.
Well, there it is. There's the white pipe. Now we're on to the mid pipe section.
This boy.
Pretty chill. Well, I guess, so these are all tightened up. We're chilling with these?
Oh yeah, it's all done. It's sick, it's easy. Super quick.
Yeah, super.
3 bolts. One O2 sensor and 2 bolts back here. I'm sure if they're all factory, I'm sure they're probably 14, but we had a 15 on here, so I don't know where the fuck that came from.
All the factory ones are 14.
all the bolts we got were from like the eBay exhaust, so. Or the bolts that were like at the mid pipe were from the eBay exhaust, so they weren't long enough with the Megan Y pipe. Here's the custom little mid pipe section. Austin's making it badass. So here's the pipe. Bounded it there. Fucking nice little welds. Resonator. Good shit, dude. Good shit. special thanks to my boy Austin here.
Getting
The car.
eBay, half eBay special, half Megan special.
Half eBay, half Megan, you know.
So half eBay plus.
eBay plus, yeah. All right, we're gonna start it. We're gonna see what it sounds like right now.
Sound as good as it stock eBay.
Alright, so here it is. Got the whole exhaust setup, starting from the headers to the white pipe to the custom catback. I'm hyped to drive this thing. Super excited. Manji's going for the microphone again. Oh, she's oh, she just stepped on my balls.
Got him!
Oh. You know that feeling when you get your nuts kicked and like your stomach starts to hurt?
I does that every morning.
A little later.
You ready, boy?
Send it. Oh, fuck. I wasn't expecting it to be that loud.
Oh shit. For the top.
Trying to get Colin's exhaust all centered up. Make it look all spiffy.
I cut it kind of in the wrong places on accident. Is that better? That one?
Nah, it's too fun.
And then Kyler over here brought the 1JIS. You guys may have seen this car in one of the videos, I can't remember. But you know, he's got the Vertex kit on it. Some IME battles, angle mods, 1JZ inside of here. Look at that. Look at that intercooler in there. Look at that. You can see Manji in the shadows. Go for the mic. What do you want? Oh. 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 Yeah. Such a cool dog. IS300 takeover over here. Oh. Surprise attack. Yeah, boy.
So now we got a little bit of an angle, and it's like in the bumper cut out more so.
So it's all bolted up now?
Well, he's gonna weld it.
Yeah, like tack it, like weld it.
Yeah, he'll tack it and then he'll fill it in pretty much, because whatever.
Well, a lot easier than what we had to do to mine.
And now the flange, Tim, remember how to get it pushed over to the side? I had to like tweak the flange myself.
Yeah.
Now that's lined up good.
Oh shit.
So now we're just repositioning it.
It's lit.
Well, hopefully.
Colin, they haven't even seen your new IS yet.
Oh. Well,
maybe
just go back 3 years in the channel or 2 years and it's the same car.
He's trolling, he's trolling. All right, so now that the exhaust is all bolted up, I'm gonna show you some exhaust clips right now.
The next day.
Hopefully I didn't hurt your ears.
Now it's covering them.
Quiet raspy actually, but some people hated it. Some people hate it, some people love it. But I don't know, I kind of like it. It's kind of something different for now. I think it's from the headers probably. Headers and I don't know, there's just a lot of pipe, no other stuff. All right, so that's it for the IS300 exhaust install. Special thank to my boy Austin. His stuff's gonna be linked down below. And as always, if you like the video, make sure to like it. If you want to see more content, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.